Okay, so for today's vlog, we are going to be building our Gateway Manor facade. So it's in the process right now, so this won't be a complete finished video, but we are going to be building the Gateway Manor facade. So we have our holes down. There's some water in there. There's a lot of water. It's been running past the pond. We have our beams here. He's getting them ready to go up. So we have 1, 2, and 3, 4 holes. The 5th one down there is for the other facade, so we have to dig it up a different hole. So those will be the 16 feet. These are the 20 feet. We're going in 2 feet. So, but you can see the tire, the semi trailer. But we were super close to the electrical, almost hit it, but we were lucky and we didn't, and drilled the holes down there for the bolts. And now he's going to lift it up and put it in the hole, and then we'll concrete it. Okay, so we have just put the trusses up top for our like little peaks. So there's like one little small house over there, and then here's like the bigger house. So I'm probably gonna expose that door. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna actually delete that door, so it's gonna go away, and then the siding will go along here, and then also up top, and then the siding up there will go up and down compared to this one where it's side to side. So we're doing things in different shapes. And then here's our siding for our like dome area. So I love the windows on this thing. Usually the windows would open sideways, but they're opening upways, if that makes sense. So they're going up. I'm probably gonna hook up some strings to that so I can pull it up, just to have a cool little thing for that. We have our peak, or like a little roof up top. Looks very cool. Kind of reminds me of like a Hawaiian type of thing. It actually is very cool if you see this in person. To get this shading, this grum, I'm using gel stain. So just like really, it's usually anywhere, but it's called gel stain. And then this color right here is called Scottish moss. So very cool color. We were like, that's definitely the color for this type of haunted house for the Gateway Manor. Really fits it very well. But a neat thing about this is that you're able to go on the top of it, and there's this door here, and this door is like 150 pounds. I mean, it looks very light, and I'm not joking. It is literally 150 pounds. This thing is solid. I mean, does not look heavy, but it's very heavy. So this is our little like amp room and security room. It's nothing too good right now. It's a mess in here. We have some cameras in here that we're gonna probably put a bigger TV, hopefully, install it on the wall and make this all a lot more cleaner and more comfortable. But we have cameras in certain spots for the Gateway Manor, so making sure everybody's safe and they're not doing things they shouldn't be. So yeah, this is just the back side of this thing. Very cool. So I mean, I'll probably have to build a little small deck if I want to get up here, because there's nothing down there and I have to like step up because this window is taller than me. The cool thing about this is that I added a ladder that I can actually climb up. I'm gonna have to make it easier and cut this thing off here, then I can walk over. Put a little bridge right there. So here's one of the cameras, but now this thing's in the way. I'm gonna have to move it up front. So a lot of things that need to be done. All right, so this is the back side of the Gateway Manor facade, and then the highway is just right over there, so they do see it, but we're gonna be painting it black, so at night it won't stand out, but in the daytime it definitely will. So we got our bolts in here, Still need to be tie-in. But it's looking super, super good. So, I hope you guys are liking this on how it looks, because I really like it. Maybe you guys can comment down below like some ideas of what I could do with this facade, because I have a bunch of windows that I'm like, what do I do with them? How do I make this kind of cooler? Okay, so that's about it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more vlogs like this. I will be making more and more vlogs every single day of our entire haunted attraction.